question, that is write a note on economic importance of algae and gymnosperms. So we have to discuss the economic importance of algae and gymnosperms. Here we will be writing the importance of algae, and here we will be writing the economic importance of gymnosperms. So first talk about the economic importance of algae. Algae alone fixes half of the carbon dioxide present on earth by the process of photosynthesis. Algae have huge or a diverse economic uses. First is it alone fixes half of the carbon dioxide present on earth by the process of photosynthesis, and also algae is known as primary producers of aquatic habitats. Now if we talk about the food source of algae, yes, algae have many species of algae such as Porphyra, Sargassum, Laminaria. These are edible algae. Along with these we have Spirulina and Chlorella. These two are extremely rich in protein content and are used as food supplement. If you talk about another thing, commercial purpose of algae, then you are familiar with a substance known as agar. Agar is a substance used in the manufacturing of jellies, ice creams, etc. Now this agar substance is obtained from Gracilaria and Gelidium, which are the two species of red algae. Next, carrageenan. Carrageenan is a substance which is used as emulsifier in chocolate and toothpaste. This carrageenan product or substance is obtained from red algae, of course. Then algae have other medicinal purposes also. Coralline. Coralline is a algae which helps in the treatment of worm infection. Now, along with that, we have some functions and some economic important functions of gymnosperms also. If we talk about the economic importance of gymnosperms, they are used or they have a huge economic importance in the construction purpose. So in construction purpose, what are they, the gymnosperms are being used, how they are being used? Some species of gymnosperms such as Pinus and Cedar, they are good manufacturers of softwood. And the softwood obtained from these gymnosperms are used for the construction purposes, for furniture as well. If you talk about the next purpose of gymnosperm or economic importance of gymnosperm, there is a species in gymnosperm known as Texas, which produces Texon, and it is used as anti-cancerous drug. An anti-cancerous drug known as Texol is obtained from a species of gymnosperm that is known as Texas, and also many species of gymnosperms known as Ephedra produces ephedrine, which is a drug and is useful in the treatment of respiratory diseases such as asthma and bronchitis. Also, we have some food resources of food economic importance of gymnosperms. Some species of Pinus produces seed known as Chilgoza, which are edible in nature. Now, raisins are the substance obtained from plants, and they are used as water repellent, or they're used in sealing and waterproof paints. Raisins are used in the making or manufacturing of sealing and waterproof paints, and these raisins are obtained from the gymnosperms. A very famous or common raisin known as turpentine is obtained from the gymnosperm, and which of the species from gymnosperm? A turpentine, which is a common raisin, is obtained from the species of Pinus from gymnosperm. So let's write about the economic importance of algae. First, we'll write these are the organisms which fixes half carbon dioxide on earth, all right, and they are known as primary producers in aquatic habitat. Many species of algae such as Porphyra, Sargassum, Laminaria are edible. Along with these we have Spirulina and Chlorella are also edible in nature and they are rich in protein content. If we talk about the medicinal purpose, then we have Corallina and is used in treating worm infections. Last but not least, if we talk about agar is a substance which is used in the manufacturing of ice creams and jellies and obtained from Gracilaria and Gelidium, which are the members of red algae only. Now let's come towards the economic importance of gymnosperm. One we have already written, that is resin, which is used in the manufacturing of sealing products and waterproof paints, is obtained from the species of gymnosperm, that is Pinus. And if we talk about the edible or food sources from gymnosperm, then a species of Pinus produces seed which is known as Chilgoza and is edible in nature. Also it is used in construction purposes, because they produces soft wood. If we talk about the medicinal purpose, then an anti-cancerous drug, Taxol, is obtained from Texas. And if we talk about the next thing, that is ephedra. Ephedra is a species of gymnosperm and it produces ephedrine, which is used in the treatment of respiratory diseases such as bronchitis and asthma. So these are the economic importance of algae and gymnosperms, and we have completed with the solution of question number 5.